Everyone, today I am showing you this touch lamp. So this is what it looks like close up. Here is at the bottom is where you're going to touch it, and that is going to change. You've got 3 different modes on this. So you've got like a cool light, a warm light, and then you touch it to turn it off. It is C-port chargeable. It has the appearance of like a very fancy, almost glass top, but it is actually just plastic. And you just have a bunch of little lights up there at the top, but it is just a great way to enhance your space. So I have it right here on this cabinet out here in my living room. So I'm going to show you. If you touch it once, there's that light setting. Touch it again, there's that one, and touch it again. You can also brighten or dim this by touching it and holding down. Down there, it can get dimmer, or you can let it get brighter, so whatever mode you want. But these would be perfect just to have around the house, even in the middle of the night. If you're going to take care of a young kid or baby, you can simply tap it on or off and have a little bit of light. It really illuminates this room at nighttime. And I just like the classic look of it, and I think it looks really good in this space. Thank you for watching.